Guys, it's Rick, the cop car explorer. Today we're gonna be searching this 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. It is from an unknown department. Every time I get these cars, I gotta play investigator. It's kind of like a game. That reminds me, I know a lot of you guys are gamers, and I have the perfect game for us to interact with each other. Me and my friends, we play this amazing, addictive game called War Robots. War Robots is an action-packed tactical 6 vs 6 multiplayer shooter game with rich 3D graphics and a heavy need for strategized gameplay. That's a big 10-4. Over. You can choose and customize your own robot to best suit your playing style. Now that is Crown Rick Auto approved. My personal favorite is Griffin. A Griffin has serious firepower and the ability to jump out of any sticky situation. Over 70 million players have already downloaded War Robots, and Funny Man is one of them. Get back to work! Install War Robots now and get a huge starter pack courtesy of Pixonic, which includes a Bitsy-ass robot, 1 thunder weapon, 2 pinata weapons, 100 gold, and 400,000 silver. Now that's massive. Go now. I'll see you in the game under player ID Crown Rick Auto.
What's up, guys? How you guys doing?
All right, so Jughead Boy, we're gonna need help getting into this trunk.
I got this.
Give it a good kick. No, this part.
It's not working.
Okay, that'll definitely work. All right, please be a biscuit. Please be a biscuit.
Biscuit, where's it at? Biscuits.
All right, so let's start here. It's a Tina push bar.
Looks like it's been through some stuff.
Yeah, it looks pretty beat up.
I wonder what criminal it got.
Yeah, I must have pushed over some car or something. You
never know.
A
lot of wiring.
All right, so let's start from here. We have, what is this? LifePack 500T AED training system, not for patient use. Shock. Oh, push it.
Shock therapy.
I don't know. This looks like some type of medical device or something. Oh man, nice, nice. Is this a dynamite shank weapon? Haven't seen one of these in a long time. It looks pretty freaking old. Wiring.
Get this out of the way.
Yeah. Body armor, level 3. Nice. Is that the other one?
Yes, I do.
Nice. Ooh, it's loud. Look, holy crap. Is that the vest that goes to it?
Might be the vest that goes to it. Wait, no, it's not.
Oh.
Look, doesn't look like it's big enough.
Sick.
My new Victoria's Secret. I don't know how you know how to put this on?
No. Not bad. All you need is a Crown Rick Auto patch.
I know. Where's it at though?
I don't know. You got one?
Yeah, I left it at home.
This looks like an Argent S2. Oh, you can just put it down right here.
All right.
Pretty good condition Argent S2.
I'll be right back.
Handle it. Hey, Funny Man. You almost done with that engine yet? Because I'm going to need you to go back to the... Hey, I thought I told you never to touch my tools. Oh, you speak Spanish now? Get back to work. Security man. What? Don't talk to me that way. Take him away.
Get him in there.
You watch your tone around me.
Hey, don't resist.
All right, where was I? All right, TS 100 siren speaker. Nice. These are huge. Smith & Wesson M1901. Looks like leg irons. Police officers are our friends. Cool. Pencil reminding us that police officers are here for us, so let's give them a thumbs up. All right, let's see what's inside of the car. Legal search and seizure field source book, vandalism tools, gas or hazardous liquid. Take a good look in this car. Oh yeah. Nice center console with the Streamlight charging thing. Looks like the wiring is there. That's rare. Usually they're all clipped. High voltage shock hazard. It's a nice Motorola MCS. Better than the one in the movie car. The mic.
You better subscribe to Crown Vic Auto or I will get you in the middle of the night and I will eat your bed.
I think this is a, oh yep, it's a flashlight clip. My guess is clip it somewhere and you got a flashlight. Ah, just got some of that water in my eye. Pall Mall. It's owner's manual. Hey look, it's my avatar icon. Crown Victoria Police Fleet Vehicles. Let's put this back. Oh, oops. Damn it. See if I can. No. Yes. No. Oh my goodness. My heart is pounding right now. No way. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. I did not mean to do that. Holy. It's freaking loaded. Dude, no way. Oh my goodness. Oh shoot. Oh, the Dude, this thing has a hair trigger. I'm not even freaking playing. This a junkyard boy. Bro, you're not gonna believe it,
that's
bro.
a biscuit.
Yeah, dude. Oh, watch out. Dude, are you freaking
I didn't know. I thought he knew it was loaded.
Oh my goodness. Dude, watch out.
My ears.
Oh, oh, dude.
My ears are pounding.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I need to leave.
Finally, I got a biscuit. I got a biscuit. A la lueña. Biberba. Here goes. Oh my goodness, not again. Woo! I got a biscuit! Woo! April Fools, guys, this is just a blank firing gun. Literally just blanks. You see that? Gotcha. So I'm gonna demonstrate how this works. Guys, this is movie replica. Demonstrate how it won't do anything. See that? It's a blank. Where's the funny man? Where's the funny man? Funny man. Woo!
50 sent out.
Got 50, we're here, we need more units.
Copy, more units here. 15 sent out for a fight breaking out.
Copy that, on my way.
3 Sam 2 Lincoln 9, can you deploy out there with your team? Affirmative, squad 2, go ahead and turn route code.
Copy, code 3 response.
Code 3 response, let's go.
K50, we got a big group here, surrounding probably 50 officers.
Copy.
We're on the sidewalk on the north side between 15th and 16th.
Copy.
I was just over there.
Yeah.
Okay, so right in front of the Barry Rock, Hill Street, north side, east of it.
The funny man, where are you?
Copy.
Funny man, where are you?
And the 50, they got some organizers in the group are moving them back onto the street, off the sidewalk.
I see you.
You're here.
20th.